Welcome to Module 12, Momentum, Carrying the Ascent Forward. As we gathered for today's session, we celebrate not only how far we've come, but also the commitment to continue moving forward with purpose, resilience, and excellence. This module reminds us that every milestone is not the finish line, but a foundation for greater opportunities and continued growth.
We're gathered here today to celebrate a remarkable milestone, not just an anniversary of your organization, but a celebration of your legacy. You have built together as the United Architects of the Philippines. For decades, the UAP has stood as the vanguard of visionary design, shaping the skylines and communities of our beautiful country.
Magandang araw po sa lahat. This is Architect Ving De Leon de Ocampo, Chapter President of UAP Baraswain, Fiscal Year 2025-2026. Para sa huling event na ito for this fiscal year, ang gusto naming i-highlight ay ang dalawang thrust for this term, which are business development and participative governance. For this Thanksgiving event, gusto naming pasalamatan ang lahat ng members na nagtiwala sa Board of Directors para sa taon na ito.
Talagang that was as early as 2016. You have been a partner of the local government of Malolos, and we are so thankful. 10 years. So we are celebrating our 10 years of partnership. And ngayon ho, not just Malolos, but also Kalumpit and Hagunoy. And through this collaboration, we are looking forward to seeing a much better built environment. Hindi lamang po sa lungsod ng Malolos, kundi po sa lalawigan ng Bulacan.
Congratulations po sa United Architect Philippines Baraswain Chapter. Maraming salamat po sa naging bahagi kami ng inyong programa ngayong hapon.
Palalaki ko po ay dumami pa ang proyekto ng mga architects at sana hindi lang 10 years ang abutin ng UAP Baraswain Chapter. Thank you po and more power po sa Baraswain Chapter.
I believe kitang-kita sa mga activities namin na pinaninindigan namin yung service, participative governance, monitoring, at saka policy suggestions na makakatulong talaga sa pagkilala ng naiaambag ng architects sa society. And hindi namin pinapabayaan ito kasi para sanang business development kung hindi naman kilala ng aming mga kapwa-taong bayan kung ano pala yung silbi ng architects, not only for private individuals, but also for the community as a whole.
Lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat sa bawat isa po. Doesn't matter kung gaano kadami tayong umattend. What matters is kung ano yung natutunan natin dun sa moment na umattend tayo. Pero every time na nakikita-kita tayo dito, parang yung puso natin nagko-connect dun sa kakilala natin. Sa mga ninong at ninang namin, industry partners, maraming salamat po. I hope na hindi po ito ang huli kasi tuloy-tuloy lang po ang UAP, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang UAP Baraswain. At alam po namin na makikita at makikita po namin kayo.
From then, lalo na yung mga naging achievements na ng Baraswain Chapter until now, you are a model chapter in terms of LGU engagement, Nagkataon lang na Baraswain chapter is one of the chapters na merong mature CPD program. So palakpakan din po natin ulit. Alam ko, UAP Baraswain andyan pa rin year in year out para sa UAP and sa architecture profession.
This event is also we want to thank everyone who supported and yung mga nagtrabaho for the whole fiscal year para maging successful po yung fiscal year 2025-2026.
My journey here is not an easy task, but we were able to push it through, and I guess it's very successful, for doing this event.
I encourage all of you to continue mentoring the young architects stepping into this noble field, passing on the values of excellence and integrity that the UAP is known for. Let us all of you stand united, one UAP, in your advocacy for the profession and your service to the Filipino people. Thank you for your dedication, your passion, and your continued commitment to excellence. Mabuhay ang arkitektong Pilipino. Mabuhay ang United Architects of the Philippines. Thank you.
Salamat sa mga members na nagtiwala sa akin to lead the chapter as president. Hindi ko na rin masabi na merong regret kasi there's a reason and the timing for everything. So baka ngayon talaga yung oras ko. Sana there will be more leaders that are less reluctant. Kailangan pala talaga siya for the growth of the chapter as a community and for my growth as well as an individual. Meron talagang naiambag at saka merong natututunan sa pagiging chapter president.